Hey guys, so I'm outside. We are gonna get Landry's Seafood, but look how them place set up, guys. It look like a movie theater. Like, it's so cool. I like it. I like it. It is so cool. But it open 11:30, so we just have wait for it to open now. We go inside. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright guys, the place look good. I like this. Nice, right? Nice and spacious.
The seafood is nice.
But you can see, say, we wait and open the restaurant. The people in there say, I could even get free breeze off it or nothing. But yeah.
Ooh. I love my
Alright guys, this is the crawfish.
I bestow upon
Garlic
you
bread.
garlic bread.
For everything.
Like it. It's alright.
Mango
It's not the
mojito.
best, but it's alright.
Again. So guys, I like the ice, shaky ice. Yum.
Hot.
Whoa.
Anything else I could get for you guys for now?
No, thank you.
You guys enjoy. I'll be back to check on you, okay?
Thank you. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes.
I'm done for.
So we are ready. Seafood platter. Jesus Christ. We don't know where to start from. Start from the fish. Catfish. Wow. Perfect. 10. I don't know why I use a fork, you know. Shrimp so good. 10. Onion rings. Oysters, fried. Yes. Chewy. Good. Alright, not my favorite. But everything else? It's like a chicken leg. Oh my god. Yeah. Fries. Fries pretty fat.
Oh yeah.
I love this. Catfish, perfect. No, I don't know how to act. Then just sit there and wait on the phone. Wow. None of them fish are fat though. Well fed, well taken care of. So them have a vending machine where sell fish food. And you just buy it and you just feed the fish. That is so cool. Them better try to let them fish are careless enough, because if them do, you know it come down.
Whoa! They're just flopping all
Jeez! No, sir.
They just suck it all over there.
Wow. No.
How are they gonna get it if they're on top of each other?
No, sir. That is crazy. So this is a vending machine, guys. We would, make a purchase. That is crazy. Watch your Ollie bird. Ollie bird. Wow. Let's go.
Let's ride the boat.
Wait, Darkle. Oh, watch ya. Okay. Wow. Wow. Poor thing. The fish, them dangerous. Fish, bird, everything, guys.
He actually can put a head. He just there for the swim. That's all to share. I mean, no. I wanted to see if fish friends when they're all on top of each other. It's fun. Now I have no food for the birds. Now I should.
All done. Let's go.
That was so fun for $5.
I know, right? Oh, wow. Jeez. All right, guys, time to go zip lining. Jesus. Boy. Yep, I got it.